Multicultural music education. This allows you to include diversity and multiculturalism into your music education. So in this video, we'll be explaining the different fields of music education, also different approaches and what to use. Also, why is this important? So, 3 fields. First field is music education. So this is where music is the focus and where music is being taught. So you can easily include multicultural music or just teaching multiculturalism through music in music education. The second one is multicultural education. So this is where multiculturalism is the focus. And so you can easily then also use music as a component to teach about multiculturalism and ethnicity and diversity with the use of music. The third field in multicultural music education involves ethnomusicology. And ethnomusicology is a study of music from different cultures. And so this one will focus on different cultures at a time to understand how music is important to that particular culture. And in doing so, you'll definitely learn about that particular culture. So why teach multiculturally with children in music? There are many reasons. I'm going to give you 5. So first, it is required in curriculum for school districts. Since we're in California, this definitely applies to us. And so it's multiculturalism, diversity, it's part of the curriculum for many school districts. And it also provides an inclusivity for a multicultural class. So students can feel that they are a part of the class and then be involved, and it can just help them to feel included. And then it exposes all the students to different ideas, beliefs, and worldviews. It also enriches the music curriculum. And so you can bring in different styles and different songs and different instruments and different forms of expression into the music curriculum to make it more diverse and to give it more depth. And it helps to integrate to other subjects. So when you're involving multiculturalism or you're involving different cultures into music education, then you can start talking about just social studies and just different approaches to life and just how different cultures may approach music. And so by including or just having a diverse music curriculum, it will help you to integrate to other subjects. There's different approaches to multicultural music education. There's 3. So first, you can teach music from diverse cultures, meaning you can choose songs or instruments or other musical experience from diverse cultures. So an example is, say, the Kookaburra song, Kookaburra sits on the old gum tree. So that is from Australia. And then you can talk about just the diversity of animals and from Australia, and that's definitely one way of looking at culture and just what can be from different countries around the world. So that is one approach, is to teach music from different cultures. The second way is to just teach children, students from a diverse cultural background. So when you do have a diverse group of students, you can teach them and then they can share and be open to the other styles and music within their peers and just learn from one another and learn about the diversity in the group and just in the class from diverse backgrounds. Then the third way is to teach students about diverse cultures through music. So for example, Ella Jenkins, she is a wonderful artist, a children's artist, and she has many songs about diversity and about just how big our world is and how you can just learn languages and just different aspects of the world. So her music is about diverse cultures. It's not from different cultures per se, although she does have a few that's about her culture, but it's about different cultures. And when we are teaching multiculturalism, you can definitely use all the same things that you use when you teach just music in general. So incorporating songs from different cultures, incorporating just different styles of songs, and then different instruments from different countries, because there are many different instruments that the children may not have seen. So definitely including different instruments from different cultures, different styles, because different countries do have different styles. So letting children hear different styles from different ethnic backgrounds. And then through dance and expression, showing children this is how the dance moves from certain countries, and seeing maybe if they can imitate it, or just different expression, to be able to watch different movements and dance styles from different countries. So that is pretty much how you can use music to teach multiculturalism and expose children to diversity and multiculturalism through music.